Hi guys, I'm Ksenia and welcome to St. Petersburg Me. In today's video I will be telling you about one of my passions, and that is acting and filmmaking. And recently I've been taking part in the shooting of a short movie, and this video will show you how we did that. Our movie is non-budget and the production team consists mostly of beginner filmmakers, and they are mostly the students of our St. Petersburg State University of Film and Television. The action of a movie is set up in a martial arts club. The members of the club are children, teenagers and young people, and everything goes okay until the day when the authorities of the city decide to tear the building of the club down and to construct a new big shopping mall instead, and the members stand up for their club and protect it by all means.
Попробуем один дубль звуковой без Кирилла сделать. Сможем так? Попробуем?
Попробуем.
Ну, без репки.
Отлично. Прочти, пожалуйста, текст, если ставь. Если текст не очень хороший, мне перестал, смотри,
Камера! Есть! Хлопушка! 12, кадр 1, дубль 1. Начали!
So, my first profession is interpreting, and my second profession is movie making. I'm a producer of movies, and now we are shooting a film for one of my friends. He's a director. You could see him. His name is Roman, and he's the student of our St. Petersburg Film and TV University, and this film will be his diploma film. So guys, this is our third shooting day, and as you could see, there is a full set with framing, blocking and other filming things. Hi guys, today I'm doing scouting for locations for our movie. I'm doing this because we don't have a separate location manager, so that's why I have to do that. And we need a hospital ward for our movie, and today I'm going to a medical center to look at the location that resembles the hospital ward, and you will see that when I will be showing you our next shooting day. So, according to the script, one of our sportsmen gets injured badly and he is at the hospital. And a journalist comes to interview him for the TV.
Если ты зайдешь на корабль, это нельзя. А, наверное, там никто не запрещает. Окей. Неплохо.
Если у вас есть время, да, сейчас давайте я посмотрю. Я ее замотила. Я так вообще не обижаю. Я так людей не обижаю, но мало ли.
Попробуй чуть поживее. Ну, как-то, не знаю. Да, да. Так, как будто бьешь, как будто ты ударил. Да, и вот так толкай меня, чтобы не было. То есть ты прям можешь медленно, это не будет видно, что ты медленно. Да? Да.
So today is our last shooting day, and we are shooting a scene that includes more people, a lot of people, and we're shooting outdoors. So that's how our set looks like today.
В чем тебя, Михаил? Ну да, пусть это желательно. Да. Да, он как шутил нас, все погоны.
Здравствуйте. Это что? Снимать? Можно пройти у меня в официале.
So our shooting period is over, and next we're gonna be doing editing, coloring, sound effects and other stuff. So guys, when our film will be finished, I will make another video, and thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye!
А что вы здесь делаете? Кино-то уже кончилось.